How to add your items on Facebook Marketplace. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily add items to your Facebook Marketplace. So to sell or add items to your Facebook Marketplace, just head over to your Facebook Marketplace option. So once you're inside here, just tap on sale and select any of the categories. So since we are doing items, so simply tap on items, and you can actually add a photos by simply clicking on this plus icon over here. So let me just do that. So I will just select this photo, random photo for now. So if you want to select any products like laptop or mobile devices, you can include those here as well. And remember that you can always upload more than one photos up to 10 photos. So once you do that, you can just improvise and write the title of the your product like this, your item, and price of your products just like this. And you can also select your category. As you can see, it has already selected the category for me. You can also select the conditions of your products, and you can just write in their descriptions like this. And once you do that, you can also edit your location, and once you do all of that, just click on publish and wait for a few seconds. So that is it for today guys. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to channel. See you on the next one.